Now when we talk about colors, you can actually click on this little square right there, which is the foreground color, and just select your color in this field. Now there are different options how to select colors. In this case, I use the hue, saturation, brightness, and there's also like the RGB scale and the CMY, like LAB scale. The CMYK scale is just like accessible with numbers. However, we use the the hue, saturation, brightness scale, as it's much more intuitive, I would say, to actually pick colors, as you like know right away which hue you want, and then you go for the saturation and the brightness right here. So I'm going for like very minty color right there, and yeah, you can see it's just applying it right away. And if we would think now we would constantly do this step, it would be kind of inefficient to keep going back to this window just to pick our color and draw something. Now, like the first thing that pops in our eye right there is this wonderful color palette over there. It's not a palette, it's basically the same slider. It's just the same slider, just that it's much more accessible. So you basically want to use that during your painting. I also use that quite often. And as you see, this little window, this foreground color, is actually updating while we are drawing. So you see it's quite a bit faster to actually use this process instead of constantly opening the other window.